Have you ever found yourself trying to quickly jot down an event on appointment, but fumbling through menus just to open the calendar? No need to worry because there's a one-tap shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that takes you straight to the event creation screen. No extra step and no app searching. Let me show you how to use the Add Detailed Event shortcut from the Edge panel, so you can start planning faster and smarter. First, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap the gear icon at the bottom to customize the panels. Swipe through the panels and make sure that the task panel is turned on. Close the setting. Open the Edge panel again. Swipe through the Edge panel to find the task panel. Here you will see some default shortcuts. One of them is Add Detailed Event. Tap the shortcut and instantly the Samsung Calendar app opens right up to the event creation screen. By default, it's set to today, but you can change the date, time, add location, alert, and more. Once you are done, tap Save button to add the event to the calendar. Given to the function, this shortcut can help you save time and make it super easy to schedule events on the fly, whether you are in the middle of a call, watching a video, or replying to a messages. It's perfect for busy days when you need to move fast, stay organized, and never miss a beat, all with just a swipe and a tap. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.